Anyway, the topic we're going to talk about today is not physiotherapy, which I could speak forever, but it's business insurance. And insurance is a topic where a lot of different things we have every day are insured, if it's your car or medical insurance or life insurance or whatever. The first unit will deal with a grammar topic. And in the last one I did the active form. This time we are going to do the passive form. So I said Unit 9 dealt with the active form. This unit will deal with the passive form. Just for your information, what is the difference between the passive and the active form? The active form is a sentence which includes the subject, obviously the verb, otherwise it's not a sentence, and the object. And you'll find the example here. I built my house 10 years ago. I is the subject.
Yes.
House is the object. Of course, the verb is built. That's an active tense, an active situation. It's direct. You can see who built the house. Who built the house? I built the house. The passive is different. The same sentence would be in the passive tense as my house was built 10 years ago. Now what's the subject? My house is the subject.
Yes.
The verb is built again. What was the object in the previous sentence is now the subject. It doesn't tell you who built it. My house was built 10 years ago. It doesn't say I built it. It's not my fault if it's breaking down, you see, that's why. So, the passive form, the passive tense, is very, very popular in business writing, in business English, and also in the news media, newspapers. It has been mentioned that so-and-so will come. Who is it? Excuse me. John told me that so-and-so will come is very active, direct. Passive, we don't identify who. So, the passive format is popular, I said, for business English. The structure that you use for the passive always has to include be, the verb to be, as part of the tense. Examples. German is taught here. That's the present simple. It doesn't say who's teaching. German is taught here. Passive, but it's within the present simple. Next page tells you German was taught here. Was past tense of be, past simple. German will be taught here in the future. Will be taught. German has been taught here for a year. Perfect tense with has been. German is being taught here now. That's the continuous tense. We haven't finished. It's still being taught. Is being taught. German has to be taught here. It's in the infinitive, to be, because the first verb is has. The second verb, teaching, is to be taught. Okay? All right, that's the examples of the various types of passive. The exercise is fairly simple. It says change the following sentences from active to passive. Now, Cecile, if you read the first sentence as it is, and then tell me how would you change it? Read it out loud so we get the pronunciation and the meaning.
We have approved your application to join the club.
We have approved your application, yes? To make it into the passive, fill in this form for the insurance, and it's all done.